When it comes to cold storage, the thermal seal is paramount, a shield that protects your products and, in turn, your entire business. At Primus, we not only recognize its significance, we've made it our expertise. With our in-house thermal division, we stand as pioneers in cold storage design and construction. And our expertise scales. No matter the size of your thermal paneling needs, you can rest assured our team provides the same standard of service throughout the entire process. Want to learn more about how we're redefining cold storage solutions? Dig deeper into the intricacies of the cutting-edge thermal technology we employ and discover why our approach leads the industry. Unlock the knowledge that shapes the backbone of our success. Download our latest white paper now. Primus, your partner in building the best with the best.